Well, hey y'all! How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing well. So I'm going to get right to getting ready with me and what I got for Christmas. Y'all, who really cares? I don't know. Just like when we were little kids, you know? We like to, oh look, I got my little red bird. Isn't that so cute? Like when you're little kids, you like to share what you got for Christmas. I got one big thing. Well, two things. But what I really enjoyed this year was I got to give a lot of things I wanted to give. And that really does give me joy. I know that sounds like so hokey, but it really does. Really happy to give to y'all. I'm can't wait to do the New Year's drawing. And then I got to think of something, I guess, February, because I've already got some cute stuff for giveaway. I got giveaway-itis. That's okay. All right. So I don't know how to pick this up and show it to you. But this was like my big Christmas thing. And it is a Dyson, y'all. It's a hair dryer. I know you're like, seriously, but this is like the mama of all hair dryers. My husband got me this. He was so excited. He got me this and a handbag. And, I don't know. This is so unusual. It's just pretty. I love the hot pink. If he'd got another color, I don't know if I would have liked it as much. But let me tell y'all, with my hair, especially the shape it's in right now, it's just so kind of dry anyway. This takes, no kidding, about, for my whole head of hair to dry my hair, takes about less than 30 seconds. Yeah. You got to get used to holding it up here instead of down here, because that's, you know, where the air is coming in, the filter and everything, so you don't want to put your hand right over that. You got to, I hold it like this, like right up here, like that. And it comes with, let me just show you, it's got, when you turn it on, it's got little lights that come on that are blue for the amount of air going through, and 3 little lights that are red when you push that one for how much heat it is. And you don't need a lot of wind. And there's the on-off switch, and that's what you can hold down with your thumb if you just want it to be cool air, not hot air. So, then, because of this was a limited edition one, it came with this beautiful kind of leatherette case, Dyson case. And what's in here, I don't want to pop myself in the jaw, there it goes. What's in here is all the little barnacles, all the contraptions, all the little extras. One of the main extras, it doesn't sound like a big deal, but this little pad that you lay it on, when you cut it off, it goes, and then you just lay it down on this, and it doesn't move, doesn't roll, nothing. And does that matter? Yes, because you don't want to have a hairdryer this expensive rolling off and cracking on the floor or something. I had a, hold on, I do. Hold on. I am going to plug this baby in so that y'all can hear it. I wonder if I can do it upside down. Can I? Will it go in? No. Going that way? No. What happens if I unplug this? It may be my computer. Oh well. It's just a cool sound. It goes and it's just like off. Latest on what to expect as you head out for New Year's Eve weather. What are y'all doing in your weather? Anyway, so that's what that looks like. And it literally lays on this little mat like this. I lay that down and it just sits on that like that. Yeah. And then it has all these different little contraptions. And let me show you how they attach. Magnet. It's magnet. Different sizes. Here's another one. It's a little bit bigger. And then there is a diffuser. And it's all magnetized, which is really cool because you don't have to sit there and screw it on or pop it in and out. It just on and off. Very, very cool. And then the next thing I got, okay, was this handbag. Hold on, hold on. It is a Longchamps. I've been carrying it a little already. And I love it. And I will do a what's in my purse because this thing is so heavy. Because I'm just carrying so much stuff. Y'all, I went back to carrying, look at this keychain. I like it though. Alright, so that's that. But anyway, it is almost like a little briefcase. I love it though. It's the 3D. And I like this color. This kind of light tan is really, really nice. I like the hardware. I like that it also has a strap, shoulder strap. I'm putting it by my face so you can see the size of it. Really enjoying that. And then my sister gave me a Longchamp. I think they're called Le Pliage. The where the bottom is, what am I trying to say? Where the bottom of it is canvas, coated canvas. And it's the hot pink one. And it's the medium to small size, not the big one. And which is perfect because it'll be great for spring. I just can't wait. I didn't bring that in here because I folded it up. You know how you fold it up? It folds up into this little thing. And I cannot find what I did with it. We went through like all my handbags and like we're enjoying them. So, what was I going to do? Oh, I was going to also say that I need to finish my makeup. So I'm going to do that while we're talking. And I just don't want to tell y'all what I got for Christmas and not have y'all tell me. So comment below what you got for Christmas. And if you didn't get anything, you know what? Sometimes people don't because they either don't have someone in their life that would give them anything or you're broke. And that's a very real thing. And so you don't have to say what you got for Christmas. You can say maybe something you enjoyed, something you did, like go to the church service on Christmas Eve, or you just sat around the house and just vegged out and just relaxed. Or, oh, by the way, I'm using the Persona Identity Palette, which is this palette. I'm really loving this. This is going to be in my favorites. I'm going to start a whole favorite series, start tomorrow for New Year's Day. I'm just going to be filming. And what else? Announcing the winner. This is probably the shortest ever I have done a contest. I mean, it hasn't even been a few days since the Christmas one, and I'm already going to be announcing the winner of this one. But don't y'all think that's what I should do? I know you're like, yes. It doesn't give much time, but at the same time, it is a New Year's, and so you want to get the winner's name up for New Year's Day. I hope I can get it loaded up New Year's Day. It may not load till the next day. It happens. So I used Sassy, which is this kind of frosted cream, and then Charming, which is this good tan transition color. And I think I will use, I'm just going to use Maverick, which is the brown. It's kind of like a taupey brown. Not super taupey. It's not like gray brown, but it's brown. And that's going to go in the crease just for depth. You know me. I like to have depth. And I'm not getting overcomplicated even on New Year's Eve. I don't really like to go out on New Year's Eve just because of the driving and just, you know, just don't like taking that chance. But we are going to be driving over to our life group friend's house. They love to play board games and just have fun and sit and talk and all that kind of stuff. So we'll probably do that. And I need to blend a little bit. Just a little bit. Look at me. I'm not being very careful or precise at all. I don't care. But yeah, that's what we'll probably do. It's important to build friendships in life, and if you haven't done that, comment below about that, because we need to talk about that. If you're not doing that, it's important to build friendships to share life with, and also to share struggles with. And I say life celebrations, life fun, and then also when there's tough times, you have someone to help you through. Even the Bible tells us to do that. That it's better for two to travel together, because if one falls, the other can help him up. That's exactly what the Bible says about it. But also, it's like on New Year's Eve, who do you want to celebrate with? Well, you don't want to go out and party with a bunch of people who are just going to get you in trouble that you don't know. You need to have friends that you can enjoy and that you can celebrate safely and do fun things. You don't have to drink, y'all, to have fun things. Like I said, I used to think it would be corny as all get out and play board games, but it's fun. It's actually really fun, because what you're really enjoying is the other people. You're not enjoying the game. It's the people. You're interacting with people. It's just a way to interact. Or you can play cards if you have a special card game that you love to play, or, there's just all kinds of stuff. I'm going to put on this, I used Central Rose earlier today, but now I'm putting on the strawberry. Just because. It's what's here. Strawberry red, just one. I didn't even look precise with that. Look at that. Just being kind of sloppy. I have no idea if this is going to already be going over to number 2, and I'm not going to worry about it. So it probably will. So let's just accept it. It probably did. So I showed you my 2 main material things I got for Christmas, which was, again, my Dyson hairdryer with all its fun attachments. The handbag. Actually, 2 of the same brand, and that was an accident. My sister gave me the Longchamps not even knowing that I'd already gotten... She gave me the canvas version not knowing I had the leather version, which I like having a canvas version, especially for spring and summer, you know, especially if you want to go out places with it and not worry about it getting a little sand or sun or suntan oil or something on it. You want those canvas bags. And also you don't have to worry about, like you do leather products, you know, getting them skint or something like that. So I do love having both kinds. For the life of me, we were going through all of my handbags because I do have a lot, as y'all know, and I was letting them pick which ones they would like to take home with them. And she was just like, "We can't do this." I'm like, "Shut up, take one." And like sisters do. That was nice. Shut up and take one. But so her and my niece did. And I'm using Fearless now to line my eyes right here. This is going to go into part 2. So anyway, when we went through purses, she was trying to clean up some or get rid of some. I don't know. I think it stressed her out to see that so many, to be honest. Put a little bit of a black in there.